To securely join two strands of yarn, first align the strands and then pinch them with your thumb and index finger so that the yarn tails are sticking on top of your thumb for about 1.5 centimeters or half an inch. I do it with my right hand, but the idea is the same if you do it with your left hand. Then with your left hand, take the strand that is at the left side of your thumb and make a wrap that goes around your thumb and around both tails, like this. Then make another wrap, but this time go underneath the tails. So you still go around the thumb, but you go under the tails, not over them. And then fold the tails over the second wrap and carefully push them inside the wraps. And hold the folded tails, the wraps, and the other strand between your thumb and index finger. Then take the strand that we used to make wraps and pull it up to tighten the knot. If you see that the wrap is not getting smaller, that means you are holding it somewhere. So simply loosen your grip and pull the yarn tight to secure the knot. To make sure the knot is as small as possible, pull each tail and the other strand and this strand again. So basically pull everything that you can to tighten the knot and make it as small as possible. Now comes the best part. We take scissors and we trim the tails pretty close to the knot because this knot is strong, it's not going to unravel. And that means we don't have any tails to weave in. This knot is very strong. See how hard I pull it? And I tested it on all possible fibers that I could get my hands on, including very slippery fibers like rayon and silk. And every time this knot works like a charm. It is not invisible, you can clearly see it. But if you use it to join yarns in the same color, it doesn't look ugly in the fabric. In this swatch, the knot is right here, but it doesn't stick out. It actually doesn't look bad, right? And this is the wrong side of the work. On the right side of the work, it doesn't show at all. And that's how this secure knot works to join yarns without leaving any tails. To get the full tutorial about this method, go to tenroseday.com/secure-knot. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.